especially in London, sometimes, when we have meetings with other organizations to organize the process of it. Just to give you an idea that the board of the GOVA is consisted from people from all over Europe. The president is Mr. Messenger from UK, Poland, Greece, Germany, Spain, Romania, Italy, France, and we have 2 chairmen as assistant or advisors to the board, John Hockey as the chairman of European Valuation Standard Board, and Tony Pryor, the chairman of Recognition Committee. We're going to talk later for the services. The main activities of the GOVA is EU lobbying. As you understand, it's a very, very important thing to support the European values and bring the message across to the European officials where legislation is taking over. Is the producer of European valuation standards, the center of minimum education requirements for valuers, and of course the scheme of recognized European values.